Hello everyone, welcome to Just for Kids, Just for Kicks. Today I will be showing you how to make a checkerboard pattern on a 3x3, and also at the end of the video I'll be showing you how to revert it back to normal if you don't prefer that. So you would turn it twice, so like this, 1, 2, and then turn this back, 1, 2. So you have it looking like that. Then you would head over to right here, and where's the side? Here we go. Right here, and you would go like 1, 2, and you get this little cross shape. And then you go here, 1, 2, and that's how you get a checkerboard pattern. Now to revert it, you'd go back here, and you'd go the opposite way, 1, 2, and here, 1, 2, and then you'd go 1, 2. And that's basically how you make a checkerboard pattern. So a really quick summary of what we did. We went like this, and then we just reverted that. So this, and yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed this YouTube video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!